TV personality na si Khaled Karen at British boyfriend niyang si Luke Wrightson, ikinasal na sa England. Ikinasal na ang TV personality na si Khaled Karen at ang long-time British boyfriend niyang si Luke Wrightson noong September 8, 2024. Ginanap ang wedding nila sa Scarborough, North Yorkshire, England. Kamakailan ay ipinost ni Khaled Karen sa kanyang Instagram account ang mga larawan na kuha sa kanilang kasal. Sa caption ng kanyang social media post, inilahad ni Khaled Karen na 1 in a million chance ang nangyari sa kasal nila dahil natakpan ng makapal na ulap ang view sa venue kung saan sila ikinasal. Ayon sa kanya, dream wedding niya ito na talagang ibinigay ng asawa niya. Anya, Luke and I dreamed for a beautiful sunny day in this fantastic cliff-top wedding venue in England. It's supposed to have the best overlooking views in North Yorkshire. On our wedding day, ironically, the views were covered by thick fog. It was almost zero visibility. What a 1 in a million chance. Unlucky? Not at all. But marrying the love of my life surrounded Eli, our dearest friends and families, makes me feel the luckiest woman alive. And hey, who else can say they got married in the clouds? Umulan ng congratulations at best wishes ang comment section ng social media post ni Khaled Karen. Isa sa mga nagbigay ng congratulatory messages para sa bagong mag-asawa ay ang broadcast journalist na si Karen Davila. Matatanda ang nakapanayam ng Inquirer Entertainment si Khaled Karen ilang araw bago ang kasal nila ni Luke, at doon ay inilahad ng TV personality na nais niyang maalala ang kasal nila ng kanyang partner bilang isang commitment na based sa kanilang personal choices at sa pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa. Ipinaliwanag din ni Khaled Karen sa naturang panayam ang dahilan kung bakit September 8 ang napili nilang wedding date. Anya, it's Mama Mary's birthday, and I've always been a Marian devotee. I'm also happy that the ghost month is finished. I'm a believer of that. Also, 8 is a lucky number for me. I will marry Luke on any date, regardless.